Take your pet back to the medieval times by transforming them into a knight. This tutorial will show you how to construct a simple knight costume for your small pets. First, you'll need to download the pattern pieces, which can be found on our website. There will be a link in the description. Supplies you'll need are squares of felt. I'm using gray, red, black, and gold, but you can use whatever color you'd like. I'll also use decorative rhinestones, embroidery floss, and 3/8 inch width ribbon about 2 yards in length. Tools used are scissors, pins and needles, fabric glue, and your sewing machine. Use your pattern pieces to cut out the pieces in felt. We'll tackle the chest plate first. Glue a rhinestone for the eye of the lion. Then use your fabric glue to attach the lion to the triangle-shaped chest plate piece. Pin this piece to the center of the larger chest plate. With a needle and embroidery floss, I like to do a running stitch to attach these two pieces together, but if you want to use fabric glue or your sewing machine for this part, that's fine too. Cut the ribbon in half and center the chest plate in the middle of one of the ribbons, overlapping the edges by about 1/4 inch and pin. Switch your sewing machine to a zigzag stitch and sew the chest plate and ribbon together. Both of them are right sides up. With our chest plate done, let's move on to the helmet. Take the plume piece and cut slits along the edge to give it a more feathered look. Place the plume lining up the squared edge with the edge of one helmet piece at the mark. I fold the squared edge in half to give the plume more shape. Place the other helmet piece on top and pin the curved edge. At your sewing machine, sew a straight stitch on this edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the helmet right side out. Take the remaining ribbon and cut in half again. At each X mark on the bottom of the helmet, pin one edge of each ribbon to the inside of the helmet, overlapping about 1/4 inch. Do a straight stitch back and forth a couple of times to hold the ribbon in place. From your black felt, cut a rectangle 1¼ inches by 4 inches. From this, cut 7 strips 3/8 inch in width and round the corners. Place them on the helmet visor. You might want to shorten the strips on the ends to make it look like the slits are descending in size. Use your fabric glue to attach them in place. At each edge of the visor, glue one decorative rhinestone. Carefully put fabric glue on the straight bottom edge of the visor. Center this on the front of the helmet. The sides of the visor should cover your stitches from the ribbon. Your knight costume for your pet is done and should be welcomed at any round table. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching!